Welcome to an eco-penny Mudgee special. We're going to do a few bushwalks around the Mudgee area. The first one is called Hands on Rock with some Aboriginal hand paintings. Let's go and have a look at it. It's going to be a short 600-metre walk, nice and easy from the car park. Can't see any hands, but it's still beautiful rock formations to look at. Let's see what's up here. So stay on the boardwalk, don't touch the artwork. Let's see if we can find some. So that was good, we found the hands. Next stop is the Drip, which is just a few kilometres from here, short drive. We've just done the Hands on Rock, come back, here's the Drip. This will be a walk along the river. First part's on a track, next part you might get your feet wet. We've got a car park and a loo here, which is handy. So it should be about 3 kilometres, return about an hour and a half roughly. There's the Goulburn River. In flood it can be quite high, but it's quite low today. Just got to stop every so often and admire all these sandstone rock formations. Look fantastic. We're nearly up to the Drip, so we're just doing a little detour to the left, which goes out to a lookout. And that's the Drip down there.
I can hear it, but I can't see it. Oh, there it is. I just got dripped on by the Drip. Yeah.
It's actually not cold.
No, it's not cold at all.
It's one of the things about being in the outdoors, finding magical places like this are just so awesome to visit. Well, it looks like this is the end of the road. Let's double back and head back to the car slowly and enjoy the scenery. So you simply exit the way you came and see all the formations from the other direction. about 4 kilometres of walking, did a bit extra, got my feet wet, nice on a hot day like this. So that's the Drip done, a beautiful scenic place, well worth a visit. So the next stop's going to be Ferntree Gully, about an hour's drive away from here. So let's head to the next location. Well, that was a bit of a drive from the Drip, over an hour. We're at Ferntree Gully for another short walk. It's going to be beautiful. Let's get going. So if you need one, they've got a loo here as well.
Sitting way too long. It's time to stretch your legs and get moving. One of them off and then come back up the middle one. I can't think of the name. Now Jenny, just come back here for a few times for your training. Oh yeah. I think it's just a short version through the... Around the back there.
So I've done a 3D of this one.
Oh, cool.
So we'll see if you can see that.
Yep. May also do this lookout as well. Look at this cool rock here, just amazing. Almost back at the start. So it's about 4 kilometres at Ferntree Gully. There's some tracks there, some rocks to scramble, some logs to climb over, so some bits are a bit tricky, but it's fun with beautiful views, 2 nice lookouts. So if you're in the Mudgee area, it's great to check out Hands on Rock, our first trip, then the Drip, then Ferntree Gully. Fantastic places. Takes a whole day to visit them all, or you can just visit one of them if you haven't got all day. So I hope that was enjoyable. Don't forget to subscribe to ecopenny to see more eco tips, eco sports and penny farthings. And on the bottom, the 3 dots on the videos on the computer, you can click those and give some super thanks or a donation to the channel if you wanted to. On your phones, just click the thanks button underneath the video. See you next time.